Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to draw a very beautiful and very easy house by using basic shapes like triangle, circle, rectangle and square. So let's start. First of all, draw a triangle. Draw a triangle. Okay. Now we'll draw a rectangle. Look, the base of our house is ready by joining a triangle with rectangle. Now we'll make a border over the triangle. Okay, now draw a circle in the center. Okay, now we'll draw the door. For that, I'm again going to draw a rectangle. Rectangle have four sides. Okay, so this is our door. Now we'll draw the windows. For that, I am drawing a square, making a square shape to draw the windows. Yes, here are two windows. Okay, make two lines on the rooftop of the house. I am making a chimney. Okay. Okay, so this is our beautiful house. So I am making a way to enter the house. Nice. Now we'll draw two trees on both the sides of the house. To draw the tree again, I am using a triangle shape. Draw a triangle and a rectangle. And our easy tree by using basic shape is ready. On the other side, we'll also draw the tree in the same way. Draw a triangle. Then a rectangle. And here is our another tree. Okay, now I will draw a sun. For that, I am making a circle first of all. Wow, you can see how beautiful it comes out to be. Now we'll draw the sun rays. Sun rays. So our house drawing with basic shapes is ready. Now we'll color it by using simply crayons. So let's start coloring. So I have colored the house by using crayons. Look how beautiful it's looking. Now we start coloring the trees. For that I am taking a green color crayon. In the other tree also. Now we'll color the stem of both the trees with brown color. Okay, now I'm going to use a sky blue crayon to show the clouds. Okay, and do some sky blue color to show up the sky. Look, it's going to become a very beautiful scenery. In my other upcoming videos, I will show you different kinds of houses, how to draw different types of houses, dream houses, fairy houses. I'm sure you will enjoy all these drawings and videos from me. You can also tell me in comments if you want me to make something unique, or if you have some idea that I should make it. I will try to make it. Just please comment below in the comment box, and I will try to do my best here is our beautiful sky. Okay, now we show up the cloud with gray color. We use gray color crayon in clouds. Look how beautiful it's looking. I'm amazed myself. There are beautiful scenery like this can be created only by using crayons, and drawing is also very easy. Even the small kids can make it. For sure, this drawing is for kids only, but they can make it with your proper guidance more beautifully. Now, we'll show up some land area. I'm making some grass around the trees by using light green color crayon. And show up some land. Wow, really, it's very beautiful. I'm again requesting you all, if you want me to make something unique, or if you have any ideas, please tell me in comment box. I am always waiting for your suggestions. And also tell me in what way my videos are helping you. I will use some brown crayon also to show some soil in ground. Now I'm showing up some birds by using black crayon. Okay, so our beautiful house drawing is ready. Friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.